Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. In the last video, we started the restoration on the Stevenson 12 gauge shotgun. We stripped the rust off of the metal parts and polished it with a wire wheel. Today we're going to work on the stock. I soaked the stock in clean vinegar, but the watermark and that gunk still exists. Next I soak it in Clorox. Hopefully this will get rid of that gunk and the watermark. The Clorox left some kind of white fuzzy film on the wood. The only way I can get rid of this is by sanding, which I should have done from the start. I sand by hand using 80 grit. This surface is harder than I thought. I'm going to have to use some power tools. I use my palm sander. This is the ticket. This is working really well. I'm going to sand it with 80, 120, and then finish it with 220. Next, I have to glue up the cracks. This is a straightforward process. I fill the cracks with glue, clamp it together. I wipe the excess glue with a damp cloth. And then I sprinkle the sanding dust on top of the glue. I let the glue dry for 24 hours. While waiting for the glue to dry, I have to modify the latch on the forestock. It is not latching properly. I take the latch to the grinder and remove just enough so it latches properly. It's trial and error. This worked out well. It has positive engagement. The glue up went well. Now we're going to apply the finish. I'm using boiled linseed oil. I apply a heavy coat, making sure to keep it wet for at least 15 minutes. If areas start to dry out, just keep applying it. This process is a no-brainer. You can't mess it up. After 15 minutes, it's time to apply a hand rub finish. Wipe off the excess oil, and voila, you have a great finish. Alright, it's time to apply a paste wax. I use the same process as before. I hand rub it into the stock. Time for assembly. We attach the stock to the receiver. Next, I attach the buttstock. Attach the barrel. And snap the forestock in place. This thing's looking pretty good. I like it. Leave a comment. What do you think? I'm happy with the way this turned out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.